Maharashtra Seamless Ltd, a steel pipes and tubes manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1988 and is part of D.P Jindal Group. They are based in Gurgaon, with more than 1,000 employees and 600 workers. Company has 6 additional offices located in Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and Bangalore. They have 9 manufacturing plants located in Maharashtra, Telangana, and Rajasthan. The market cap of the company is 11,323 crore rupees, and currently trading at 845 rupees per share. The company has a 29% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 67% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company manufactures steel pipes and tubes, with production capacity of 850,000 metric tons per annum. Company is also engaged in renewable energy using wind and solar, with 60 megawatt production capacity. Apart from this, they are also engaged in rig operations. The seamless pipes and ERW pipes of the company are used in diverse industry segments for various applications. About 96% of the revenue is generated from steel pipes and tubes, 1% from renewable energy, 1% from rig operations, and 2% from others. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company, which are increasing from quarter to quarter. The public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign and domestic investors are buying from the public, which is a positive sign. The company is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of rupees 10 per share was paid in August 2023. Some clients of the company are ONGC, Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited, Cairn India, Adani, GMR, NTPC, BHEL, Larsen & Turbo, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and more. Company have good clientele from both public and private sector. Coming to some key highlights. Company is the market leader in seamless pipe segment with 55% market share. In 2023, company received an order from ONGC to supply seamless tubes worth rupees 262 crore. Recently, they acquired a unit in Telangana to complement its core segment. They have 5 wholly owned subsidiaries, 2 in India, 2 in Singapore, and 1 in UAE. They have clients from 9 countries, including US, Canada, Brazil, Europe, with a revenue concentration of 20% from exports and 80% from domestic. This has been a quick analysis of Maharashtra Seamless Ltd. Check out our other videos and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.